Right. Hi. So, for a while I've been sitting on this trying to create a kick I could use. And yeah, all of them sound like shit. So, this time I've got what I'd call a decent mid intro, probably still terrible, but yeah, I don't really care. So, and the base of this is made in silent with a few automations, volume for it to not sound weird white noise click on the start, and then distortion for yeah. That's the original kick. After that, I think I took that out and bounced it. So let me just check. Yeah, then I bounced that kick and split into three. The original punch, the low end, and the high end. Surprisingly, no automations here. Except for this stuff. And yes, it has annoying white noise. But then sound like this, which is basically it. I'll go through all the effects now, just for the sake of it. Yeah. And the white noise gets pretty annoying, so I'm gonna mute this real quick. So, the punch here has these 10 effects. The EQ with the peak here, just moving from about 700, 600 hertz to 450. And a little bit of high boost, mids, and taking out some of the low end. Then an OTT. Then OTT. Just, I have no idea what it actually does. I just edit because it makes a cool noise, I guess. Then another EQ. Some more mids, a little bit less high, some more high mids, and lower high, less low end. Then just a fast distortion. Sounds like it does nothing. Probably does nothing either, so. Then another EQ, boosting a little bit high end, more mids, and a little bit of bass. Then a camel crusher, compressed on the fat mode, and no distortion here, I suppose. I'm not sure. Then more fast dist. This one does more than the last one. Then another EQ, some more bass and low mids and a little bit highs, and then another OTT. That was the finished punch, as I had it here. Then the low end. Hang on. There. Just a simple low end. Just take the original tail, and then just take this down to like 420 hertz. Nice. Then I decreased the low end a little bit, just to control that a little bit. Then turning it more to mono, the camel crusher, distorting it a bit, and then removing the high end that gets added to that. Then that was the finished low end. And then it's the high end, which contains annoying noise. So, removing quite an amount of low end, even though it's still quite loud there. Turn off all the effects. Go through each one. Okay, so it sounds like this. Then adding this, decreasing low end, boosting high and mids, distorting, distortion too, very good plugin. And then adding some mids, a little bit of low mids and some treble, or highs, I guess. then some mids, and a little bit of persons, I guess, and high mids. And then another camel crusher, compression fat mode, and stuff. Yeah. Doesn't seem to do much. No TT. Whatever this is, I'm not sure. I think it's... yeah, it's probably just a noise. Moving all the bass completely, or almost completely, oversampling a bit and stuff. And a little bit of reverb that you can barely hear at all. Yeah. EQ, high end, mids, decreasing low end. Yes. Another OTT. Because, yeah, why not? Camel Crusher again. Another EQ, a little bit of high end and some low mids. Then completely removing everything below 61 hertz, it seems. Removing some bass, boosting some low mids and some high mids, and then decreasing some high end. And then the OTT that did the most, I think. Just sounds quite good, but there's some low colored white noise that gets very annoying. Then decreasing some high end, upping the low mids and mids. And then this thing. Probably just bed crushing, I don't know. Seems to do nothing. Then whatever the hell this thing does, I just wanted to add it, I guess. And then decreasing some more high end, upping the high mids, and boosting some low mids. Then a fastest again, for some distortion. Does nothing, almost. So boosting some mids, some high mids, I guess. And then there was the volume automation just to keep down that noise. Then that turned out to this. Which is this, the same as this. I mean, I like it, but it's, yeah, produced by someone who has no idea how to do this, aka me. I'll leave a download down in the description, I guess. I'm gonna leave a text document there for you with all the requirements for this project file. And then you'll have to download every single one of those, I guess, to those plugins to be able to run it. And it started in the bass silent. I could probably yeah, pretty simple. Some pitching, a little bit of decay, and a saw that does nothing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll leave you be now. Then you can download this if you want. See you another time, probably.